Hey everyone, welcome back to Spartan V, all your fitness, grooming, hair and lifestyle tips and tricks. Today is going to be grooming and the nose. So today I'm going to be looking at using a nose waxing kit. Reason for this, I'm a hairy guy. Apart from the top of my head, even though it's no longer a problem, I'm generally a hairy guy all over. So, part of my first grooming tip is going to be getting rid of this nose hair. Because if we just have a look a bit closer, it does stick out. So, my first port of call is to get rid of it. Easiest and quickest way is waxing. So, my fellow Spartans, let's hope this goes to plan. I'm going to be using a kit from Amazon and hopefully it's not too painful, quick and easy. I have had waxing before, but never in my nose. So I'll leave a link in the description. As usual, if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe. But let's get it started, see what happens. I've got the wax melted on these little sticks that you get. So I'm just going to make sure I've got enough in there. Right, this one, beautiful. I'll get the next one. And now to leave. Remember guys, all for beauty. Okay, so it's been a couple of minutes and they're ready to go. Right, let's do this. After 3, 1, 2, 3. Oh, as you can see there, not too painful actually, not too bad. Now this one, ready? 1, 2, 3. It's alright. Definitely some hair in there. Let's have a little look. Not all of it. I might need to redo it a bit again. But like we say, all for the sake of beauty. You know, it gets to the point where a lot of my nose hair ends up growing where I trim it and I just don't want to keep trimming it. I prefer to wax because the hair will come back thinner and it will grow back slower. So ideally I want to calm that down because I don't like it. If you look in the mirror and you see the nose hair sticking out. Really simple, really easy to do. Even though I'm going to do this one again, I think I just didn't put enough wax on it. But yeah, simple as that. Easy grooming tip for the cost of next to nothing. So, thank you very much. I hope, you look to do something similar yourself. If you're brave enough, become a fellow Spartan. Otherwise, another video will be here again soon. Thank you.